Factor completely. If a polynomial is prime, state this. So we have 3r cubed minus 3, and the first step with factoring is always to check your greatest common factor, and in this case we can factor a 3 out of both terms. So pulling out a 3, that gives us 3 times the quantity r cubed minus 1, and r cubed minus 1 can be factored further. It's the difference of two cubes. We can cube r to get r cubed, and we can cube 1 to get 1. So we have the factor of 3 out front, and then to factor the difference of two cubes we have a small set of parentheses, a larger set of parentheses. Since this is a difference problem, difference of cubes, this sign is a minus, the same as the first sign. This sign is always the opposite, and this sign is always a plus. And to fill in these two blanks first, again, what are we cubing? We're cubing r and we're cubing 1, so those values go here, r and 1. And then in the next position we would have r squared. Next position we multiply 1 and r together just to get 1r. And finally we square 1, and that also gives us positive 1. So here we have the polynomial factored completely. It's 3 times the quantity r minus 1 times the quantity r squared plus r plus 1.